friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be cooking Italian sausage in an Instant Pot. What we need is fresh or frozen Italian sausage. I'm using frozen, it's frozen solid. See, it's the whole block. And we need half a cup of water. So let's open the Instant Pot and add water to the Instant Pot. And then add the sausage. And you can use the trivet or put it directly in the water like I did. And now let's close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to a sealing position. Press the pressure cook button and set the time to 20 minutes if it's frozen sausage and 15 minutes if it was defrosted sausage. So since I'm using frozen, the time would be 20 minutes. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's quick release the steam. Now the steam has been released and the pin has dropped. So let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here are perfectly cooked Italian sausages. Now let's remove them from the Instant Pot. See how easy it was? Now when you cook the sausages in the Instant Pot, they're not browned. They're more like steamed or boiled. So if you'd like them to be brown, you can put them in the oven under the broiler for 5 minutes and it'll be perfectly brown. So that part is up to you. But they're cooked to perfection, straight from frozen. Now let me try one. They're very tender and perfectly cooked. Tastes delicious. You're going to love cooking sausage in the Instant Pot. For a free printable recipe and other easy Instant Pot recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.